I am Kylene Caquelin, and the title of my study is The Effects of Fading Schedules of Noncontingent Reinforcement with and Without Extinction. Noncontingent reinforcement, or NCR, involves the response-independent delivery of stimuli with known reinforcing properties on a time-based schedule. It's typically implemented concurrently with extinction, however, it's not always possible. Researchers have begun to evaluate NCR without extinction, and results have been promising but mixed. The purpose of the current study was to replicate and extend Staney et al. In 2017 to evaluate the effectiveness of fading schedules of NCR with and without extinction, as well as evaluate response variability and resurgence. Participants in the study were 6 students, split into 2 groups, those exposed to NCR with extinction and NCR without extinction. During sessions, participants played a series of games identical to the screen shown here. They accrued points according to various schedules by dragging the moving blue box to the top right corner. Primary dependent variable was the rate of the target response, dragging that blue box to top right-hand corner, but we also evaluated response variability and resurgence. During baseline, participants received 1 point for the target response on an FR1 schedule. During NCR without extinction yoked, participants received 5 points per delivery on a schedule yoked to the average inner response time during baseline. They also received 1 point on the FR1 schedule for the target response. In NCR with extinction yoked, participants received 5 points per delivery on an identical yoked schedule. However, in this condition, the target response was placed on extinction. Following the yoked phases, the reinforcement schedule was thinned by systematically removing 10% from the average baseline rate to the terminal criteria of fixed time 5-minute schedule. In the extinction-only condition, all schedules of reinforcement were terminated to evaluate for the rate of resurgence. Results of the current study, the 3 participants exposed to NCR with extinction all showed a clinically significant reduction in rate of the target response, and the schedule was successfully thinned to the terminal schedule. For the 3 participants exposed to NCR without extinction, only 1 participant showed a clinically significant reduction in the rate of the target response. However, that was not replicated. The schedule was not thinned for 2 participants, and for the 3rd, it was not successful. Results of the current study indicate that while both NCR with and without extinction decreased the rate of the target response, only NCR with extinction decreased it to a clinically significant level that maintained throughout the schedule thinning. Response resurgence occurred more often with NCR with extinction, and variability was higher for NCR without extinction. The impact of these results: first, they provide further evidence of the effectiveness of NCR with extinction. Also demonstrates a safe method to research a potential treatment for severe problem behavior, but the most important impact might be that it just informs other research to be conducted in this area because of all the questions it raises.